Good morning,
Good
you
morning.
happy holiday home followers. We are starting our big project today, but before we get started, there are a few things that we want to share with you. First of all, I'm still in my pajamas. That's how dedicated I am.
And I ran 6 miles. That's how dedicated I am.
Well, we do have that difference, right? And she fell last night and has bruises and bruises, and although
And a
we've
bruise
used,
on my chin, but I have on makeup.
so we've disguised it because we don't want you to see any imperfections
Very
here.
clumsy.
Anyway, so what we want to talk to you about is our design.
Wait, before we do our design, let's just show real quick.
Okay.
The success of the Jolly Rancher shot glasses. They turned out really fantastic. And I'm real excited.
Aren't they beautiful?
I highly recommend that y'all do this. It was fun. It was easy.
Super easy.
Very easy. We used
And our product turns out perfectly,
product
which
turned out
shows you how easy it really
Right.
is.
Right. I used the Wilton
The mold.
the mold from Wilton. Hashtag Wilton. They're going to sponsor us, I'm sure.
Somewhere we have that mold, and it was exceptional. You could make solid yellow ones with butterscotch.
You can do anything you want. Peppermint ones and,
Oh
put
yeah,
chocolate
peppermint
with it.
with Baileys. Wouldn't
Yes.
that be delightful?
Or hot cocoa for the kids with a little whipped cream. Be
Oh
nice.
yeah, that's true. It doesn't have to just be
It doesn't
vodka
need to be an
or
adult
tequila.
beverage.
That's
Right.
true. Well,
Okay.
Okay.
Moving on to our new, our this is the real project, so hold on
Remember?
to your hats. You remember this, the Happy Holiday Home candle centerpiece.
Right.
We
So
said- go ahead with
Okay,
what we bought.
we went to Michael's and hashtag Michael's and we purchased some copper wire, which you can see is very flat and thin. This is to pretend it's like the leading outside of stained glass.
We bought it in the jewelry making department.
So it's not really
It's
leading.
copper, but
Well,
we
some kind of
checked.
aluminum or
we
something.
Googled it. We can put it in the oven if we need to. Rose made a. We're doing a test this morning
Because
because I'm afraid that the candy will not adhere to the copper and it'll pop out, which will make it not
which would be a
Look like
disaster.
stained
But it
glass.
might be fun to film.
right.
But anyway.
So we will pivot if that happens. But so Rosie has made the little flame, and she did one earlier, and I already cracked up some butterscotch with my handy hammer, and I
Look
cooked
at
it in
this.
the oven. Actually,
Does it stick
I
inside?
think it might. So
That's our
my
flame.
friends, is a flame.
Yes.
It's really pretty.
It is very pretty. So I guess this means that we can get started on our design. Now,
Yeah, it looks like it's sticking.
math is essential here because we need to know how many candles we can make with 5 feet of this and how many flames. So we have created, last night actually, I came up with what I consider to be an excellent blueprint, and we're going to share it with you now, but when we share the final blueprint, it will have real dimensions on it, and we'll give you some ideas. But look at this. Be ready to be stunned.
There you go. That is the plan.
So, we are about to get started, and I know you're as excited as we are, right?
That's right.
All right, sister, let's do it to
Let's
it.
do it.